Hi everyone, it's Organic Worm Castings by Soto, and I just wanted to share an update on my worm bin number 1. This worm bin, when you saw it last, was over a month ago. I did a fluffing on it, and although it's been a couple of weeks since my last video, I have fed these guys and given them water, but I wanted to set up on camera for you the next time would be their feeding and having to give them water, and this is it. So happy November 5th. I hope everyone's doing well. This is what the worm bin looks like, but as you can see, all the carbon on the top, all this will get picked to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in this container that I have set up. And this shallow box that you're looking at right here is where we're going to pour the castings out and see how the worms are doing. Because life gets in the way, I really haven't had a chance to pay too much mind to the worms other than giving them their meals and making sure that their bin is moist. But you'll get to see, hopefully, with this video, how they live and what the moisture is with the castings in it, and then all this carbon that I'm pulling to the side here, I'm going to go ahead and douse it with a bunch of liquid waste and water. I just want to go ahead and remove as much of this carbon as I can without disturbing the worms. So let me go ahead and get this last bit out, and I'm going to go ahead and put you on a tripod, and then we'll go ahead and put the worms here. And as you can see, the paper is dry, so you can be able to see the moisture of the worm bed. Camera on the tripod, the worm's ready to be dumped into this shallow box. Normally I wouldn't do this, but I want you to see what the worm bed does look like. And here we go. Beautiful castings being created. So this is what the worm castings look like. All nice and fluffy. But it still has another few weeks to go. So I'll take the worms from here. Put them back into their container. We'll have some food waste poured on them. Cucumbers, zucchini, some spinach, some bananas, and a little bit of apple. So let me go ahead and get them back into their worm bin, and then go ahead and feed them, and then turn the lights off for them to get some rest. So I have the worms back in their container. So this is the moisture in the box where the worms just came out of. So it lets you know, moist, not wet. Put the carbon back in. The first thing I'm going to do is take the food, just pour it on the carbon, next I'm going to take water and I'm going to pour it all around the bin like this. And there they'll sit for another week, looking in on them, making sure that they have the right water content and all the food has been absorbed and eaten. Then I'll just, well, without taking them out of the bin, go ahead and remove the carbon that's left, pour some food on it, make sure they have water as well, until it's time to harvest. Well, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate your support. Stay safe, be well. Like gold is the way to go. Organic Worm Casting signing off for now. Bye.